Okay, problem 15 compared to 14 is substantially easier. And you write down the list of potential candidate rational roots. You're basically looking at 8 and 3, the factors of 8 divided by the factors of 3. You get a list. Would I test all those points out? No, but I test some out, particularly the easy ones. And I found this over here. I want to claim though, for a lot of students, they struggle with this. All right, and again, you're allowed to use calculators. But what I claim is one of the things you're doing. I think you would probably stumble on between, I'm just going to put some integers down for you, 0, 1, -1. And like, if you just did 0, it'd be positive, right? And if you did the -1, which is in the list, by the way, I'm not zero's on the list, don't worry about that. But if you took -1, what would you get? You would get, -3, -2, right? -18. I made a mistake over here. It's +2. +8. It's clearly negative. What do I know? I know there's a connection, which means there's a root there. All right? You know what? I made another mistake. I'll put that down. Sorry about that. It's still negative. All right? So of the list, what numbers would you be choosing? Clearly negative numbers for the root and proper fraction. So the only two choices now, it kind of reduces it, would be -1/3 or -2/3. And I would test them out, all right? The only one that works is this one over here. So let me write that down for you. And I'd get the two factors. What I would do now is I would divide this polynomial by this over here. I think I did that right over here. And I get this. And then this guy over here, it's not going to factor using integers, but you can use quadratic formula to factor that, and you're going to get 2 additional roots. Again, we plot these things out for you. What do we plot out? The easy points first. What are the easy points going to be? 2. And the other easy points -2/3. The y-intercept, let me just remind you, is 8. We certainly had 2 other points. They were kind of nasty looking, but they were these over here. I used the quadratic formula to do that, by the way. And then I used a calculator to approximate them. So -2.73 over here somewhere, and the other one is about 0.73 over here somewhere. Again, 4th degree polynomial, leading coefficient is positive. We're expecting this behavior over here. What am I expecting between, where the y-intercept is, a positive curve. Again, if you want to use sign analysis or knowledge about the roots, you can do this as well. Connect these up as well. Will it be as good as a machine-generated graph? No, but you'll have a rough idea what it looks like, which is probably more than necessary if you move forward into calculus to have a rough graph. Because once you're into calculus, what you can do is you can get these points over here, which are going to be relative minimums, and a relative maximum somewhere over here somewhere. All right? Okay, thank you.